Thank you to L'Amour magazine for featuring me on the front and back cover of their Spring 2022 edition, and for the wonderful interview entitled Meet Charis Michelsen, the new face of the beauty industry. In the interview, I teach how to choose your perfect lip color. There are a couple of options for how to go about it. Option 1. Let your natural lip or blush color be your guide. Mix a lip color that matches your lips or your ideal blush color with a second lip color, whether lighter, darker, or more vibrant, in a 50-50 ratio. The outcome will always be a color that looks great on you. Option 2. Let your skin tone determine your lip color by following these steps. Step 1. Assess the depth of your skin tone. How pale or dark are you? Classically, the darker your skin color, the darker your lip color should be. Step 2. Assess your skin's undertones. To do this, examine the blue veins that run along the inside of your forearm. Are they more blue-purple, blue-green, or neither? If they're more blue-purple, your skin's undertone is cool. If they're more blue-green, your skin's undertone is warm. And if they're neither or both, your skin's undertone is neutral. If you're cool, choose lip colors with a blue undertone. If you're warm, choose lip colors with a yellow undertone. If you're neutral, choose lip colors with a blue or yellow undertone, or a mix of the two. Here are some examples of lip colors for various skin tone depths and undertones. If you have a pale skin tone, choose colors like these. If you have a medium skin tone, choose colors like these. If you have a dark skin tone, choose colors like these. If you have a deep dark skin tone, choose colors like these. Here are some additional tips. Test colors when wearing zero makeup to determine if a color is right for you. When in doubt, choose a sheer textured product, as it will always look great. Have fun looking your best by choosing your ideal lip colors.